showing separate points. But what radar does is it starts showing all the points at the same time. So it works on the coincidental basis. So here you see this black portion. This has a laser integrated. It is a class 2 laser. It's safe for human purposes. Anything beyond this can cause radiation and is really detrimental to your eyes also. So this also has a camera in it. So apart from laser scanning, it also captures images and it together creates and builds a thing called point cloud. So the ultimate output which we extract from this feature, whenever you go to different softwares nowadays, you go to Revit, you go to Tekla, you go to whatever ETABS, there is this option in insert. You see insert point cloud. So what is point cloud data? It is basically the outcome of this product. So primary laser scanners are classified into two types. One is time of flight laser scanners and one are phase-based laser scanners. So in terms of scanning range, scanners can be classified in short range, which is this one. And there are long range ones which I told you about, which I majorly applied in the field of town planning and planning. So this is the time of flight laser scanner. So it throws the laser, it throws laser to a certain distance. Whatever time it takes for the laser to bounce back, through that time it starts creating the model. Then there are phase-based laser scanners which are constantly working. So basically mobile radars. What mobile radars are, it is a similar kind of device. It is mounted onto a vehicle. And it is usually used for road monitoring and highways and pathways monitoring. So it is mounted onto a moving vehicle. You can drive a car just like a Google car. You must have seen that Google has the spinning thing car. That implies the same technology. We mount that thing on a vehicle and that vehicle keeps moving on the highway and it starts capturing the entire area around the highway. So at the speed of 30-40 kilometers per hour, the vehicle is driving and through that it starts scanning the entire environment around it. So that is used by the majorly the departments like Highway and Road Authority of India, NHAI and all that, for scanning about the data of the road, the terrain of the road, the future construction of the road, the maintenance and the terrain next to it. So like what I want the data of next left of the 100 meters of the road and right of the 100 meters of the road. मुझे दोनों साइड का डेटा चाहिए पूरे हाईवे का. For that we use mobile radar, which is constantly working. These kind of radars are called terrestrial radars. Then there are third one, they are called aerial radar. Aerial radars are of two types. One is aerial, one is airborne. Airborne are the ones which are mounted onto a aircraft, and aerials are the ones which are mounted onto a drone. So there has been a really good implementation of airborne radar which we will come on to later. So now we